Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the super fastest way to change the background color in Photoshop 2021. First, open the one image in your document and unlock the layer. Now go to the select and click subject. When you click the select and subject, the Photoshop will automatically select your subject. You can see that it is automatically selected. And next go to the fill icon, click on it and select the solid color. When you select the solid color, you can see that the Photoshop automatically filled your selected image and press it OK. And click on this mask layer, and then once you click on this mask layer, after you click on the mask layer, you can see that the invert in the mask layer property. Click the invert, or the shortcut key is Ctrl+I, or you go to the image, adjustment and invert. When you click on the invert, you can see that the selected object which was in red color is inverted into the background color. But now the background is in red color and the selected object is there. Now you have the red background color. Now to quickly change into the different color, you can see the icon here. Double click on this icon, you will open the color picker and choose any color you like. When you pick up any color, you can see that it is automatically changed into that color. Okay, this is the fastest way to change the background color in Photoshop 2021. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.